Hello, everybody. My name is Albert Corey from Corey Associates Tax Accounting Service. We are a full-service accounting office located at 1800 West 68th Street, Suite 134 in Hialeah, Florida 33014. I just want to tell you, guys and girls who are watching this, I am one of you. I've sold on eBay, ClickBank. I was an Uber driver, Amazon. Shopify came out a little bit later, but it works the same way. I've been in your shoes. I'm still an internet marketer and internet marketing coach, so I can help you to make sure that you get all the possible deductions you need to save money on your tax returns. Okay, so on with the show. The top 12 tax deductions for online business owners. From an online business owner like me, Albert Corey. Since 1985, have assisted small business and online business owners with your online marketing. And, my system works with every online business. ClickBank, eBay, Amazon, Shopify, just to name a few. I've sold on all these platforms, so I know all the deductions. So increase my bottom line. Let the IRS give you a paycheck. My name is Albert Corey. I'm a senior tax advisor with Corey & Associates Accounting Services. We've been assisting clients since 1985. Could you please like or share or follow this video? You do me a great favor if you can put the city and state where you're from. Have you ever wondered, by a show of hands, what is a tax deduction and what is not? It is now almost December and it's time to get your deductions in order. What can you deduct on your tax return? Well, one of the items you can deduct is if you use your car. Even if you're using ClickFunnels, eBay, do you go to the post office? Do you go to Office Depot, Office Max? Do you get parts for your computer? Those are all deductions. You put the miles down, you make a little logbook, and you put the miles down so that you can deduct it. Did you know another thing you can deduct is up to 80% of your Comcast, your internet bill? It doesn't matter your internet bill, who is it from, you know that's a tax deduction. Why? Because obviously you work on it all day long. That becomes a tax deduction. Another tax deduction that you can use is also your cable bill. Did you ever use your cable bill, the cable to watch some of the shows? Like I watch Shark Tank and all those CNBC shows to get some pretty cool ideas on how to market stuff and how to look at stuff. Some of the other stuff that you can deduct is the mortgage, your alarm system, the credit card interest, student loans, your internet, your electric, and all these kind of things are deductible. If you live in a condo, you can also deduct a portion of the maintenance that you pay to the associations. If you're in states like Florida, that has a lot of tolls, I'm sure New York City has a lot of tolls, that's all deductible. If you take Uber to go out somewhere that you can have a meeting, that becomes deductible. So by a show of hands, how many of you want less stress and a peace of mind with all your accounting needs? We just went over your rent can be deductible. You need to start working now to start saving money later. Okay, it doesn't matter what company you work for, that they're going to give you a 1099K. A K is how much money you made. Guess what, guys? I've been doing this for 10 years. Not all my businesses always worked, but I can tell you is that even if you're working on ClickFunnels, eBay, Amazon, Shopify, and you lose money, did you know all that could be deductible? That's right. That all can be working deductible. Here's Corey & Associates Tax Accountant Services since 1985. We're going to give you a free consultation just by going to bigirsrefund.com and find out how you can almost use the same deductions as Donald Trump. Like I said, like, share, and follow us. You're about to discover what you can deduct. You can take the same legal deductions that most small businesses miss. My promise to you is that you're going to take the first step today to have the IRS increase your bottom line by getting every possible deduction for your home-based business. Here's your problem. You have very little time to deal with your tax or accounting issues. You have to deal with your online business, which I know there's a lot to keep up with every day. You need to have a strategy in place to keep up with everything. Why must you have a financial strategy? Because it's your blueprint for success to keep more money in your pocket. Why is the time now? Because you need to work you need to work smarter, not harder. And why should you let the IRS take their money? Like that sign says, it's all theirs. Yeah, that's not how I work, guys. I want to put more money in your pocket. Who and me and why listen to me? I've been a tax preparer since 1985, have been e-filing tax returns since 1981, have filed over 51,000 tax returns, prepared thousands and thousands of small businesses, and I'm an IRS register and also sold eBay, Amazon, ClickFunnels, ClickBank. You pretty much named a business, guys, and I've sold MLMs. I sold all of them. This is my story. Okay, my dad did my tax return in 1983 and said I owe money to the IRS, but I said, Pops, I didn't work. How did I owe any money? So then I answered an ad in 1984 and took the training and started working for H&R Block as a tax advisor. You see, look at my first XT computer. I took all the money I made at H&R Block in 1985 and started filing tax returns. I started putting ads in classified newspapers to get clients and working at night out of my house till I got enough clients to open up my office. In 1993, I opened up my office on West 68th Street. Okay, I started finding solutions for my tax and accounting clients. Because here are your challenges. You don't know what you can deduct. You're frustrated because you do not know who to assist you. And you're short-sighted that will empty your wallet. Will it be okay if I show you the IRS increase your bottom line? I'm going to give you a preview. Because my biggest reason is I'm on a mission to assist taxpayers from overpaying the IRS. You work hard for the money, so why should you give more than you should? See, with just a few small steps, you can start hearing cha-ching and coins dropping in your pocket. Okay, now you can spend more time in productivity in your life and not in business. What this means, guys, is so you don't have to sit there and work on TurboTax or go to somebody who doesn't understand internet marketing, home-based businesses. You come to us, you call us, you fax or email us, and we'll make sure everything is perfect for you. What's the difference about the IRS increase your bottom line? Because we make it easy for you with over 34,000 clients that we solve their accounting and tax issues. Okay, we worked with all I've worked with all the companies, eBay, ClickFunnels, Amazon, Shopify. You name it, I've done it. I've assisted thousands of people came to us to get experts from us. We are the experts in accounting and tax needs. Here are your myths. You think you can do it alone. You have the perception that no one can relate to your issues. You are short-sighted that will break your bank when you get professional assistance. Will you be my next success story? How many of you would like to be my next success story? Maybe you're having accounting issues. Would it be okay if I share with the system that my clients have saved millions? This is the benefits of the online businesses, tax saving seminar. Okay, you're going to stop overpaying the government. You're going to avoid the frustration of trying to get answers, without spending time and energy. Your tax savings is the same as your bottom line. Yes. Who is this not for? If you enjoy writing checks to the IRS, please don't call me or contact me. If you're not open-minded in solving your IRS or accounting issues, okay, don't bother to call us. And if you enjoy getting an IRS audit in the mail, which nobody ever is, it's not fun. Let me tell you a couple little stories about this. I had a bunch of clients who either tried to do it on their own or had somebody do TurboTax. Okay, then they didn't do it right because they didn't understand what the 1099-K was. They then get a letter from the IRS saying that they owe $15,000, $16,000. Okay, why did they owe $15,000, $16,000? Because the whole return wasn't done right. Everything was done on the wrong lines. Once I started going over with my client, guess what? She ended up getting a bigger refund because I found all the deductions. So who is this for? For people who like to put money in their pocket. For why do you want to spend time working on your tax returns? You need to work on your business, not in your business. The online business savings. You need to stop overpaying the government, avoid the frustration of trying to get answers out, and spending less time and energy on the phone, working forms, and busting your brain for nothing. Okay, step one, you need to stop overpaying the government. Okay, we know all the legal deductions so you don't get an IRS letter. I've done hundreds and thousands of returns so we can take care of it for you. We'll make sure everything gets out on time so you don't get penalized. And you avoid the frustration of trying to get answers. Okay, if you ever tried to call the IRS, I will guarantee you, call 1-800-829-1040, and guess what? Either they're not going to answer or you're going to be on hold for 4 to 5 hours and then the phone will hang up. That's happened to thousands of my clients. So now, if you would come to us, guess what? We can get you answers that we've been successful 98% of the time. We solved everybody's issues. Okay, if all we did was put more money in your pocket, would it be worth it? If all we did is to get all the answers for your tax and accounting questions, would it be worth it? If all it did was to give you a better perception of your business, would it be worth it? Are you worth investing in yourself? Of course you are. Some people are going to say it's too expensive, but I know that you ought to realize it's always wise to invest in your business. You're just going to be amazed just how, using this system, you can 10x your income in just one tax season. Okay, call now, and guess what? We're going to give you a free consultation. Just go to bigirishrefund.com, and you can schedule a free consultation. And once you call me, I got the worksheet that we get to all our clients in our office. We also have bookkeeping services. So if you don't want to go through your bank statements and do an income statement for us, we can do it for you. See, this is Corn Associates Accounting Services, tax returns, bookkeeping. We open up businesses. We are the experts. Free consultation. Thank you and have a good day.